Hello everyone. In this module, we will learn how you can use Mendeley citation plugin. So this is the most important module when you are using Mendeley and you are working on any documentation tool, whether it is LibreOffice Writer or is it Microsoft Word. So you need to add bibliography, you need to add citation into your research review papers. So Mendeley is going to help you. So let us see how it can be helpful for you if you are using Mendeley citation plugin. So first of all, you have to install the citation plugin if you are using LibreOffice or if you are using Microsoft Word, then you have to open your Mendeley desktop and under the tab of tools you can install your MS Word plugin or you can click on install LibreOffice plugin. So it will take you to the website and it will help you to download the plugin part. And then once you have downloaded, you can start using your Word, and under Word there will be an option of Mendeley citation where you can see all the citations that you have added a research review paper into your Mendeley desktop. And then after you cited all your papers, you can start using the bibliography part. So after this presentation we will see how it can be helpful, but for that you should have the publications into your Mendeley desktop so that your Word will be connected to Mendeley and it will retrieve all the papers, all the citations and all the bibliographies present in your Mendeley desktop. And there is an option of merging citations. You can merge citation as per your requirement, and after you have done it, then you can insert the bibliography part. So whenever we write any research or review paper, the biggest challenge is writing the bibliography. The reason why I said it is a challenging part, because all the publishers are having their own different styles of bibliography, the first thing. And the second thing is, even if you know how to write a bibliography for specific publisher, there are many chances of having mistakes. It can be a comma, it can be inverted comma, it can be how you write the page style, how you write the page numbers, and how you use the author's name, publication year, and so many things are there when you are writing bibliography. So when you are using Mendeley, it will give you a freedom that you don't have to worry about the bibliography part. Everything will be taken care of by Mendeley. So let us see how. There is an option of finding a citation style. For example, you are writing a paper and the publisher for that is American Medical Association, or it is American Political Science Association, or IEEE, Nature, or any other publisher. So first of all, you have to select the style in which you are going to write a citation or in which you are going to write your bibliography part. So once you selected the citation style, it will help you to document that particular paper. So let us see now how it can be done. I have installed Mendeley plugin, that is citing plugin I have already installed, and this is Microsoft Word Online. So let us suppose I am writing here that this particular content I have taken from the paper, and you can say that number 1. And now what we generally do after we write any introduction part or any discussion part or previous research done, after this paragraph or after this line we add the reference style. But now we don't have to write this manually because we are not going to write the bibliography or references part manually. So here what we have to do, I'll go to reference part and under the reference you will find a Mendeley site. So similarly, if you are not using Microsoft Word Online, you can have your downloaded part of downloaded Microsoft Word. Under the similar tab of references, you will find this Mendeley site option. So I am using Microsoft Word Online, so I have an option under the references part, Mendeley site. So I will click on that, and once you clicked on that, you have to sign in into the Mendeley. That part I have already done. That I have already signed into my Microsoft account and I have already signed into my Mendeley site. So here you can see all the papers that I have put in my Mendeley desktop are appearing here. So suppose this line I have taken from this particular paper, that is energy optimization in wireless communication network. So I will click on this and I will click on the insert one citation. So what will happen here, you will found that I have cited the reference 1. So this style what I have choose, you can see from here. Adjacent to references tab, there is an option of citation style. So I have selected IEEE citation style as my current style. So you can drag, you can see from the drop down menu that there are many citation styles. So once you have selected IEEE, so all your citation part and bibliography part will be as per the style given by IEEE. So suppose I have done with this line and I have completed my paper. So I will here write references. So suppose I have written down here references. Now what we actually do, we write here one and then we start typing the paper name and all that. So we will not do this part manually. So what I will do now, I know this is my number 1 citation and the paper details, the publication details behind this number 1 should come here. So let us see how it can be done. Adjacent to references, there are citation style which we have already selected as IEEE. So under more option, we have an option of insert bibliography. So what this tab will do, once I clicked on insert bibliography, it will type here that bibliography that I have inserted as a citation during my paper which I was typing or which I was writing. So let us click on the insert bibliography. So it will give you an informative information that your bibliography will be inserted at your cursor location. So this is very important. Wherever your cursor will be, on the same position, on the same place, your bibliography will be pasted. So I press on continue. So here you can see my bibliography as per the IEEE style has been pasted here. So you can say here that you don't have to type your references, just you have to add all the publication details into your Mendeley desktop, and automatically when you will be coming to references part, you just have to select using this Mendeley site plugin and it will add all your bibliography. So here you can see there is no worry of typing author names, paper title, DOI, year of publication, where you have to put the comma, where you have to put the inverted commas, where you have to put the full stop, where you have to add the year of publication. So every single part has been taken care of by Mendeley site plugin. So what is the next step? What exactly you have to, you should have account on Mendeley. You should have downloaded Mendeley desktop and added all the publications which you would like to add into your running research review paper. Then you can go to either Microsoft Word or you can either go to your LibreOffice Writer. There you can install the plugin through Mendeley desktop, which we have already seen that there is an option under tools that you can download, you can install the plugin part, and you can start opening either your Microsoft Word online or your standalone application which you have downloaded .exe file. You can run in Microsoft Word also, and there you can similarly under the same tabs, that is of references, you will see Mendeley site, and it will take the right side of your Word position where you can see all the papers and you can cite as per your requirement. So this is the biggest advantage why we should use Mendeley or similar software, similar applications, which will not only ease our work but it gives the most efficient technique to write the references, bibliography and citations. So thank you.